Plenty of businesses have a CRM and still cannot see what is happening. Here's the test that tells you whether yours is earning its place. Sit down and try to answer 4 questions without asking a single person. Which quotes went out last week, and which of them have gone quiet? Which bookings changed in the last fortnight, and did the customer get told each time? What is currently sitting with admin waiting on someone else? And which jobs are finished but not yet invoiced? If you had to open 3 places or ask someone, the CRM is not configured around how your work actually moves. That is usually not a product fault. Most systems get set up around the stages the software suggests, rather than the stages your business really has. The fix is to map your real workflow first, including the informal steps, then rebuild the stages to match. Name who owns each handover. Rebuild the stages to match reality, name who owns each handover, then check the 4 questions again a fortnight later. You should be able to see your business without interrupting anyone. Book your free AI business audit.